Welcome to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you on how to add text to your videos using CapCut. Now, in my previous video, I did a video on how to add music to your video on CapCut. Now, this other one is on how to add text to your video. So if you've not checked the first one on how to add music, you can go ahead and check them on this playlist. So you first thing you want to do is you want to import your video. So of course I'm not going to import the video again. I'm just going to use an already existing video, the first one I used for the last video. Now as you can see, I've been able to add music and my video. I've been able to add music to my videos normally here, as you can see. So what I want to do now is to add text. So what I will do is just go down here and click this button, this one here, this T button. So I'll click it up. Then I'm greeted with some other options. Alright, so we are going to navigate through these options one after the other and see what these options does. So let's start with the first one. The first option here says add text. So we are going to tap on add text, and here you are supposed to enter your text, whatever you want to enter. So let me just enter welcome to my channel. Let's add that here. Of course you can edit if you have issues. After you finish typing your text, you can check it here, and that's it. So you can drag it to whatever you want on that video, as you can see. Now after writing it, you can click out, and that's it. So if you, in case you want to re-edit, you can just click on the clip here, this other one here, and you can just, as you can see, it's been highlighted. You can just tap in inside, then you edit here. So that's for that. So here we have some more options. You can split your text if you want, and you see their effects, their bubble, the animations. You can just play around them. So let me just show you what this does. This split will split your text into two. As you can see, we have two welcome to my channel here already. So I can actually drag this here so that you can play whenever I want it to play. I can drag this here. So depending, just play around. Okay. So the other option here is stickers. You can add stickers to your CapCut. Okay, I don't really have an internet now, but normally after this page loads up, you are supposed to see some stickers. You can tap on which you want to use and readjust, just like I did with the text. Then you can use the auto caption here is an option that lets your video get subtitled automatically. Okay, so based on what you say, the subtitle will keep on displaying on the screen. So I should start. Okay, I need an internet connection for that. All right, so that's about that. Then test template also need an internet connection. So basically, if you want to really enjoy CapCut, you need an internet connection. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you the main functions of the rest, but then I'm going to make sure I do some more videos on each of those options so that you can actually get to understand how to add text and other stuffs to your videos. I hope you've learned one or two things from this. little tutorial. Yes. All right, so that's it for this video. You can check out my other videos on editing using CapCut. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.